I'm just going through some of these books. These are homeschool. I use these books for my daughter in year sort of rest of 7 and all of year 8, because she needed to be refreshed on what she was doing in year 7 at school before she left. These are, in my opinion, these are the best books you can go by, because they actually give you a description of how to do everything in here before you actually give you the actual stuff to do. And also in the fractions one, if you want your child to do it, they give you a mock test at the back. Oh, give you a mock test after you've done it. It's a mock test. Mock test. And that is at the back. Let me show you, hang on. At the back it's got a mock test of everything you did in the book. I thought this would be really good for people in year 6. Obviously it's Key Stage 2 obviously anyway, but if you've just started homeschooling and you want something simple to begin with, then I suggest these books. I bought them from Amazon, I think. It was quite a long time ago now. And I've got the fractions and decimals and percentages, data and statistics. I've also got ratio, proportions and algebra, and the other one is geometry and time and measurements. Now they haven't all got the mock test in them, but they're still, obviously, I think, for understanding things and just to get a clear picture on something, I think this would be ideal. Yeah, this one hasn't got them in either. It's just got the questions and more answers and stuff. That's the geometry one. Now I've used all these books on my daughter in year 8, so just to go over it, but we are now using this one because she's now started her 3-year, well, she did in September last year. She started her 3-year GCSE bit, which is quite interesting. This is quite good, and there is answers in the back of this book, so if you wanted to help your child along in year 9, especially near 9 and 10, then I recommend this book from Edexcel. It does come with answers at the back, answers, and it covers quite a lot. Everything you need your child to do in the GCSEs is in here. GCSE Maths Foundation. And also you can get a homework book to go with it, but I had to phone up and get the answers because it doesn't come with answers, the homework book. But you can get the homework book on Amazon. And this, I got this from Amazon as well, I think. But yeah, so I recommend this if you want to start just going over a few things like obviously geometry, time, measurements, data, and proportions, and then decimals and all that sort of thing. And I use this as a refresher course, so she could, it says from ages 7 to 11. So basically you can use this from age 7 to age 11. And obviously, I think that's like, well, age 11 is year 7, isn't it? I can't remember. Anyway, but yeah, so I use these as a refresher. And I do recommend you use this set. There is about 8 or so altogether, I think, I'm not sure. But I only got 4 because we only needed to go over the major geometry and as it says on the books already, especially the decimals and the fractions. So we just got the books that we needed to clear up on, you know. So yeah, I do recommend these books for year 7, 8, 9. If you have someone that's low at learning and slow or whatever. But then go on to this book for the rest of your year 9 time, and it's very thorough. It's got everything in it, and we're finding it quite good to do at the moment. We've got calculations, expressions, angles. We haven't really got to this bit first, as we only started it a few months back. So, well, actually we started it about a week or 2 before half term. So, but yeah, it's worth getting, and I would recommend buying. I think I spent about £13 on it, and it is worth every penny, as it's kind of thick and it covers everything you need to know. And they give you assessments in it as well. as well as the answers to everything in the book, which is a really good book, so I recommend that too. But yeah, this is basically just for refreshing what you've already done or what you need to check that your child needs working on, basically. And I recommend those for that. Okay, so yeah, basically refreshing your child's memory, maybe. Starting off with like simple. But yeah, definitely recommend these. And then if you've got someone that's a bit more advanced and you're starting your GCSE studies now for year 9, 10 and 11, then this is another one I recommend, definitely. And it comes with the answers in the back. You would obviously keep this book for yourself and then let them look at the page and then do the work that's involved. But yeah, I do recommend this. And the homework book that goes with that, I recommend buying that too. Because each time you've done a chapter in this book, like say, I'll show you. We do calculations, right? Place value. And after you finish the first after you finish this one, you get the homework page, which is for place value as well. And then you get rounding up, or what rounding, and then after you've done that rounding, you get another page in your homework book that goes with what you've just done in this. Or not what you've done in this, but it goes up this rounding, so. But yeah, so I recommend that too. So, thank you. Bye.